All right, I'm going to show you a few ways to play the song You Say. We're going to start in the key of C, and if you start in the key of C, you're going to be playing the C chord. And I recommend keeping your left hand open. That means don't play the middle note so it's not too crowded sounding. Then you'll play your E minor chord. Okay, so if you go by numbers, C is 1, E minor is 3, and then A minor is 6. See if you count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we'll go down to A minor right here. C, B, A. A minor, leave that left hand open. And then down to 4, 6, 5, 4, F. Okay? So play through that a few times to get used to that. 4 beats each. C, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now I want to show you a little closer arrangement of the chords so you're not jumping, hopping all over the place. The easiest one is to go C, 2, 3, 4, E minor. So you keep the E and the G right here, and the B that would be in the chord, you just play it by extending your thumb. That's called an inversion. 2, 3, 4. Then you can go to A minor right next to that, and down to F again. So you only have to do one inversion in that arrangement. And your left hand can copy that shape by going like this. So you go C, 2, 3, 4, E minor inversion, 2, 3, 4, step down to A minor, 2, 3, 4, then F, 2, 3, 4. All right? And if you want to play a pattern in the right hand, it's a more filled in sound and it sounds more like the song, you would use this pattern. Top note, bottom note, middle note, bottom note. Okay? So top, bottom, middle, bottom, top, bottom, middle, bottom. Then you try that on the E minor. Top, bottom, middle, bottom, top, bottom, middle, bottom. A minor, top, bottom, middle, bottom. Then F. You just have to really focus on starting with your pinky. Okay, so let's try that 2 times through with a nice slow steady beat, just the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. E minor inversion. A minor's next. 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1. Once you can do that, you can add your left hand in. You hold out the left hand while the right hand does the pattern. Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2, 3. And I'm pumping my pedal down for each chord set. Right? One more time. Okay, once you can do that pattern on repeat like 4 to 8 times without ever messing up, you can try this next arrangement where we start with the C in an inversion. So you take the G from the top of the C chord and put it down here, okay? And you can do the same pattern, but the shapes will be like this. C, the next chord is E minor, so you're going to change your middle note to B. You can keep the outside the same, like that. See how you have E, G, B? It's just the E's on the top. That's a first inversion. Then you change to A minor by bringing your hand up, keeping your E the same. And then your last one will be an F inversion. 2 is going to take over for C. Pinky moves up to F. Okay? Back to C inversion. Change the middle note. E minor. 1 and 3 on A and C. A minor. And then that. F inversion. Okay? So you need to work on those shapes first, and then you can start the pattern there. And just use a single note in the bass clef to keep yourself from getting confused right now. You have a C inversion. minor inversion. A minor is root. That's regular position. F. One more time. C. E minor. A minor. F. Okay? And then if you get really good at that pattern, you can double the speed and use octaves in your left hand, okay? And that's what this would be like. If you want to just watch this, you could slow down the speed and playback speed at this part. If you want to try it with it slow and then work it up to speed. But here's what you want to end up with. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. So you notice on the A minor, I use a fifth to keep my thumb on E. Then I'm close to F. And that's a good variation on the left hand. All right, once you get that pattern down, you can try using different inversions, and the song sounds good pretty much in any inversion. If you wanted to start with, here's E minor. I could do F right next to it. I mean A minor right here. Have all your chords very close together. A minor and F. If you want to go high, you can start here with the C on top, fall into root of E minor, A minor, second inversion, F root. So there's several ways you can play those, the same exact pattern with your right hand, but starting in different inversions to keep it sounding interesting. Have fun with You Say.